Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to factory reset Google Pixel 7 Pro device using phone settings. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Tap on a setting gear icon at bottom right. Scroll down until system. Tap on a system. Now again scroll. Tap on a reset option at the end. Tap on erase all data, factory reset. Here you can see what data will be erased from your device using phone's internal storage, your Google account, system app data setting, downloaded apps, music, photos. Here you can see list of sign-in apps. Also tick mark the erase download sims if you want. Tap on erase all data. Confirm your pattern. Now tap on erase all data. Before tap on erase all data, make sure to backup all your data to important data like photos, video. After erase all data, you can't undo. So make sure backup your important data. Tap on erase all data to delete all your phone data on your Pixel device, and then reset to factory default settings. That's it. Like it, share it.